everyone, welcome back to the channel. Once again, I got the boy Boo Rad. Yes sir.
Blessing me on channel.
Today we're gonna do an exhaust video of my car because it's highly requested. You guys always have questions to what exhaust setup do you have. It sounds good, it sounds deep, it's not raspy. So we're gonna clear that up and give you guys some sound clips. So we're gonna go to a specific location and do some pulls there.
Sounds like
he's capping, but yeah, we're just gonna drive over there and we'll catch up with you guys.
A few moments later.
All right, everyone, we're at the enclosed location. Well, it's not really enclosed. Dude, there's someone walking over there. But this is where we did Bradley's exhaust video for his Speed 3. So pretty much just gonna floor it, come back, do U-turn, do it a couple times, just rev a little bit for you guys. Hopefully we don't cause too much attention, but we're honestly in the middle of nowhere, except there's a government lab right here, so yeesh. But yeah, so we ready? There is a bit of traffic, that's kind of sucks right now, but let's try to do this for you guys. So the exhaust setup is an AWE track edition exhaust, and I am catless as well. I believe it's a Depot Racing downpipe, so it's pretty cheap, but it's been doing me good since then. And I do have ultra vibrant performance ultra quiet resonator, and it honestly takes away all the rasp, gives you a deep sound, and the car sounds really good with it. What do you think? Sounds good? Sounds good. It's not red. It's not
that. It sounded like a fucking Honda, bro.
Yeah, it's not like a Honda. It was so raspy and gross. Now it's just deep and good. So yeah, I really recommend that setup if you have the AWE track and you're catless. Give you a few revs. I'll give you guys a few revs.
I still think mine's a little louder, but that's pretty loud, man.
Lots of pops there.
Alright, Jose just took a pull. Pretty nice. He's on his way back, so you guys will get a better sound of it, him passing by. Alright, there you have the exterior sound, and now we're gonna do interior. So I'm gonna have Bradley record just me driving in the car, probably driving normal, doing pulls. I kind of just did pulls right there for you guys, just so you can hear the full throttle. I'm pretty sure that's what everyone wants to hear. And yeah, it's a nice road, government laboratory or whatever that is right there, so it's kind of closed off. There was someone on a bike. I don't know if they're taking like a video of my car, but they're just watching in here. It's kind of weird. They kind of just left. So yeah, got the car here looking pretty clean. Give it a quick wash for the video. It was disgusting. Yeah, here you have the idle. I did add a cold start in the beginning. Yeah, my exhaust tips are cracked. This thing shoots flames here and there. So AWE, I need to call you guys, see if you can give me some new tips. Honestly, this view is so nice. Still a little photo shoot. I'll drop the pics down below just cause. Whoa, buddy. Whoa. Alright everyone, that's gonna be it for today's video. Just a simple exhaust video for people who cared. Once again, I have the AW track catless with the ultra vibrant performance resonator, and it puts out a really good sound. You guys heard that. Hopefully you guys liked the clips. If you did like the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.